Welcome to AGR Organics. Today, since I'm going to wash my hair, I'm making my flaxseed gel. I'm showing you how I made it. Okay, I have my flaxseed here with 1 tablespoon of fennel. Okay, here I have a soak overnight, 1 tablespoon of fenugreek, 2 tablespoons of cloves, 6 saw palmetto berry, and here I have fresh amla. That was frozen, but I left it outside, so it's fresh now. I have fresh rosemary, and I have the aloe. The aloe, I'm going to make the gel. When the flaxseed gel is finished, I'm going to mix it with it. And in the water, I put some okra water in it too. All right. So I'm getting everything ready so I can boil it. Okay, now I'm pouring my water, put everything in it. And add my rosemary. I'm going to let it boil, and when it's ready, I will let you know. Now start boiling. I'm going to let it boil for like 7 minutes, but I'm still stirring it. I don't want the flaxseed to stick on the bottom. You remember the amla? I grated the amla berry in it. Start the gel started. I'm going to turn it down. Okay, it's ready now, so I'm going to add my aloe in it. Okay, that I already put my aloe in it. Stir it. Okay, my gel is ready. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of the glycerin hydrogel extract that I made in my previous video. 1 teaspoon in this. Okay, I have a second one. 1 teaspoon. Okay, and I'm going to divide it, my gel. I have to give my sister, and I'm adding tea tree, 3 drop of tea tree, and 7 drop of cloves. Peppermint. And a bit like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm putting more of the lavender. Yeah, I love lavender. I put maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, you can keep it in the fridge when you're ready to use it. Okay. If you like my recipe, you can give me a thumbs up. And thank you for watching.